so now we're going to look at the case from Nillkin, Queen Pro leather case. So this is quite premium, and a lot of people love this type of cases. It smells like leather, and it has this flap to open and close the camera. That's magnetic. This doesn't have MagSafe. You can put 2 cards in there, push them out, nothing in there, and then that's how it is in here. Really nice, good quality. Let's try it. Very precise fit, and that's how it is. If you want to take a photo, you open it up. When you don't, close it, and then you can still speak on the phone because it has this cutout in there. And yeah, with this one, it's pretty nice and solid, so it'll be quite hard to ruin the screen if it drops, because this will protect it, and it looks quite nice. Very, very professional and minimalistic as well, if you think about it. This type of cases, they definitely progress. With this one, unfortunately, I don't think you can do anything to have it tilt or anything, so it's just the case. The annoying bit with these ones will be, like, obviously if you want to take a photo, you have to have this flap like that. So yeah, there you have it.